Ako baon ko, nagabaon talaga ako. Hala, nawala. Kung magsalita ka, alam mo sino. Sila yung numero 1 nagsira ng bayan natin. Ngayon, sabihin sa atin, ito ang dapat gawin natin. Kung di ba kayo mga putang ina kayo? Maranao, Maguindanao, so may apo ako ng isang linya na nanganak na puro na moro. So paano nyo mag-away tayo, saan ninyo ako ilagay? Kaya ganon na lang ang sama ng loob ko. Nagpapasok kayo ng mga terorismo. Hindi pa atin, hindi pa yung love of Mindanao na aming lupa. It's a foreign ideology, gaya ng komunista, tinapon dyan sa NPA, at ayan, ano na. Now, how many years ang NPA nagipag-away sa atin? 50 years nga ngayon. Sabi ko sa mga NPA, you want another 50 years? Hanggang kailang away na to? Until when shall we fight and kill each other? Ako, mag-neutral ako. Mag-agyat ako doon sa Mount Apo, bahala kayo. Ayun, yung maniwala, wag kayo magpapasok ng ideolohiya na hindi atin. Yung ideolohiya ng Moro o Muslim, okay yan. Kasi yung dalawang reliyon, ayaw naman talaga ng bastusan ng patayan, punggutin yung ulo, kung ano-ano. Hindi talaga magtagal. I never allowed it, ever since. Ako baon ko, nagabaon talaga ako. Hala, nawala. Hello, love. Postpone ang date natin. Naubod dito, limang Maranao. Maranao talaga, oh.
Davao City is a premier hub of Mindanao. It is primarily an agricultural city, and our supporting sectors are the tourism industry and the ICT industry. It has 244,000 hectares, and it is the second largest city outside of Metro Manila, located in the southernmost part of the Philippines. City's vision is to create a smarter city where people, information, and technology come together to create a safe and secure well-being of the residents of the city. Our challenges now are traffic management, emergency response, anti-terrorism, and the issues on urbanization like the solid waste management, the drainage problems. These are the things that we encounter with our developing city. We wanted to partner with IBM because we wanted to work with a global brand. And with the 100 years track record of IBM speaks for itself, and the reputation that it has in the global market is unsurpassed. And we wanted that for Davao City and IBM to take on the challenge of creating an intelligent operations center for Davao City. The Intelligent Operations Center of IBM will help Davao City become a smarter city by leveraging information among the different agencies that work in the city. It will help us maximize our resources for efficient and effective response, and help us make key decisions in terms of planning and organizing. So the video analytics, the unified form of communication among different agencies, and the GPS will transform the Public Safety and Security Command Center and Davao City in terms of its safety and security programs.